Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of Vigor Chain, the latest update of Yescoin, the mining application. Yescoin, this is the top application inside Telegram. Even we will talk about the Vigor Chain, their own exchange is coming soon. So soon you can sell your token, the price is $12. Further, if you talk about Yescoin, so if you don't continue the mining, you will lose your token, same like Ice Network. They will deduct your token, the whole thing we will talk inside this video. We will check the latest update, make sure stay tuned, even share this video with everyone and then continue the mining. Vigor Chain, Yescoin, in the future these projects can give you profit. Okay, now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about mining application like Yescoin, Vigor Chain, Pi Network, even about pre-sale project, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So first of all, if we check about Yescoin, Yescoin is the new mining application, the new Telegram mining application. You can start the mining by just clicking on the mining button. So this is not like other applications, like in 24 hours, you need to click only one time. But inside Yescoin, the more you click on the mining button, the more reward you will get. So we are thrilled to announce that our application has been selected as a top pick on the App Store. So now Yescoin is one of the top application inside Tune App Store. I can say among top 5 applications. This is not, I can say this is a huge achievement for this project. Yescoin is a viral clicker game where you earn coins by tapping the screen and completing task. Daily you will see the task, make sure to complete it, even continue the mining. So you can see my invitation code, even I will give the link below in description. So continue the mining as this project can give you profit. This is the meme coin of Note coin. I can say this project, their gaming is also approved. Besides that, there are some partnerships, collaborations with other project like a plan with Yes collaboration. You can see the Yescoin has become one of the most viral clicker games on Tune blockchain. Of course, this is the clicker games. It means that the more you click on the mining button, the more you tap on the mining button, the more reward you will get. Even you can boost your earning from 1 to 2, 2 to like this. You can increase your earning. So this is somehow I can say difficult. No one have time to tap on the mining button. I can say every minute, every second, every hour. No one have the time. But there are some ways that you can install the application so that automatically they will tap on the mining button. Even automatically they will click on the mining button, so you will get your reward. You don't need to click yourself. There are some applications inside your mobile phone. If you install it, automatically it will click on the mining button. So hey Notecoin, yes coin is not your coin. Of course, you know about Notecoin mining application. So yes coin is the meme coin of Notecoin. So in here, Notecoin is just using the logo of Yescoin. This is the Bybit exchange, I think. You can see if I show you, somehow it looks like this is the Bybit exchange, or no, this is a Twitter. Yeah, this is Twitter, but it looks like this is inside one of the exchange. It can be Bybit exchange because in here you can see they just mentioned Bybit, a Twitter account. So Notecoin is also using the Yescoin logo, Yescoin icon. Why? Because Yescoin is the meme coin of this project. So that's why this project is using the Yescoin logo. It means that somehow in the future this project can give you profit. Even big things are coming in the future. So another partnership, Unitune token teams up with the Yescoin, the second fastest growing Telegram game. So earn Yescoin by clicking coins, joining squads, inviting friends, and clambling leaderboards. Enhance your experience in the Tune blockchain community through our partnership. So another partnership, even there are more partnerships. I can say if you check the official Twitter account of Yescoin, you can see lots of partnerships in here, collaborations in here, even lots of updates. But the things I want to focus in here, you can see we have just deducted 5% from your tokens due to 3 days of inactivity. It means that if you're not active, if you're not mining, so you will lose your token. Same like Ice Network. It means that Yescoin is just following the ICE network step. If you're not active user, if you're not active miner, so your token will be detected. You can see for 3 days, they just detected 5% of my tokens. So that's why continue the mining, because login now to prevent further losses and protect your earnings. This is somehow I can say same like ICE network. So make sure to not stop the mining. Continue the mining. If you stop the mining, you will lose your token. So now let's talk about the Vigor chain. You know, Vigor chain pre-sale is live, even the withdrawal is live. Those who minted NFT, of course, they should receive their token inside their MetaMask wallet, inside their Trust wallet. So finally, the pre-sale is live, and now the price is $1.6, but the listing price is $12. Come on, guys, listing price is $12. If you have 100 tokens, it means that you just get $1,000 for free. So our decentralized exchange is 80% complete. You know, after 2 days, we will see their own exchange where you can sell your token, because on the same day we will see the listing of Vigor chain, Vigor token inside their own exchange. So 20% is remaining. So pre-sale now, this is the website. Let me show you. So current round price is $1.6. Secret message, read this carefully. Okay, buy VTC and hold when it's listed, sell at $12. After you complete your sale, the price will be linked to BNB. So this is a hint. Simply purchase now. Once the coin listed inside exchange, you can sell it at $12, because now the price is $1.6, but the listing price is $12. So welcome to Vigor centralized exchanger. This is the exchange of a Vigor chain. You can see the video. You can check same. It looks like other exchange. Like you can find the chart, you can find the order blocks, even the buy and sell option in here. So further, this is the home page. Crypto live market. You can see all other cryptocurrencies price, like top gainers, top losers. So it means that after 2 days, 11 May, we will see the exchange of Vigor chain. Even we will see the listing of Vigor chain. So for what you're waiting, although if I show you the website, you can see this is the pre-sale website of Vigor chain, and now the price is $1.6. So next price is $2. For now, total sold 6,986. So in here we need to complete 80,000. So and then we will see the next round, the round 4. So make sure check it. This is I can say the Vigor chain or Vigor mining application is one of the best mining application. So okay guys, this is all about Yescoin update, Vigor chain update. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Share your thoughts in the comment section about Yescoin. Continue the mining, otherwise you will lose your token. Even continue the Vigor chain mining. Even you can participate in the preset. So smash the like button 20 watt time high. Still not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.